Hello guys! If you want to see what I got in here, unboxing guys, and I have a huge box over there. Keep on watching. Okay guys, I have the first box from Amazon. It's huge guys. My husband got it for me, and we'll see what we got here guys. So let's open up guys. What, another box? Ooh, it's a container guys. It's a container. Let's open up. There how many? Oh, okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think it's like 5. 3, 4, and then it's a container, guys. So 5. So I think I've got like 10. No, 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I have 10 of this, guys. I will try to put this here in the cabinet, guys. I will, for so I'm gonna organize my cabinet here in the back, guys. So I will put the makeup here. So I don't know if I'm gonna film that, guys. We'll see, but maybe. Yeah, so this is the one I got from Amazon. No, my husband got it for me, so thank you, love. And I will get there's 2 here, guys. So two of this. So maybe I'm gonna have a separate video for that, guys, and then how I organize this cabinet here on the back. Yeah. So let me grab another box, guys. So I'm gonna have a separate video for this, so watch out for that. Okay guys, for that we have a Heya Mayo hair nutrition pack by Tony Moly, guys, and they made in Korea, guys, because my hair is so dry, guys. I know the other day I tried the Sephora all night hair mask, guys, and it helps me. Now my hair is a little bit soft, so I'm not really good in maintaining my hair, guys, especially right now that all my white hair is showing. White hair don't care. I really wish this virus go away, guys, because I need to go to the salon. Maybe my hair, look guys, it's so long. I need a trim, I need a color. So yes, so the other products, guys, that we got is AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Serum by I think it's like some by some by MI. So yeah, this is made in Korea too, guys, and I asked the lady that selling some of the Korean products, guys, if she has a product that good for big pores, because I have a big pores, guys, and you can see it from my previous video. It shows there. Thank God for Canon M50. Just sarcastic, guys, that it shows too much big pores, guys. But right now I'm using my phone, guys, because my camera is dead. So yeah, let me proceed to this one, guys, and I'll be back. Okay guys, the next one is, I know this is like my monthly box subscription, guys, because this is from BoxyCharm, but this is add-on, guys. I just did my unboxing earlier, and I have 4 boxes in there, so it's like too much, is it? Yeah, it's like 4 that I opened earlier, guys, for the my monthly subscription. So yeah, I will open it here because there's a lot of boxes in there. So I have 2 products here, guys. This add-on, I got a Buttercup Becca. This is my color, guys, and I have this already, guys. This is my backup because I like that one also. So if I like the product, like I said, guys, I love to buy backup products, you know, for you never know, you need it more. I'm just kidding. So one more, guys, is Element Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, guys. So did you know, guys, that I'm drinking a collagen drink now? Yes, I jumped to the wagon. Some people like, I don't know if my skin is getting better, I'm not sure, guys, but yeah, it's half now, so I will tell you more if I like it or not, that collagen drink. But this LMS, guys, I got it, and I have one more of this. I have to use that. I don't know why I bought this, guys, when I didn't use the other one. Then I don't know if I like it or not. Oh well, if I don't like it, then I will sell it, right? Okay, guys, I have 2 more, guys, and we almost done. Okay, guys, we are back, and this box is from Pharmacy, guys. Pharmacy. And of course, I forgot to open them, so I will open it here, guys. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it. When I got this, guys, they're on sale. So yeah. And say that you love me. Ooh, look at this. New Cherry Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Ooh, cherry. I want to try their cherry balm, guys. A lot of people are loving it. So I hope they come soon. I mean, well, they have a thank you card. It's so cute. I really hope that they're gonna have that cherry balm on sale soon, because in BoxyCharm or Etsy, they have it on add-on, guys, and oh my G, it's like it's gone like seconds. Everyone is wanting to buy that, but I guess it's not my luck, guys, because when I go to the website, guys, it's not there anymore. Sold out. So I have the paper receipt, and they give me a melt cleansing balm samples, guys, which is good because I might give it to somebody. And I have 2 boxes here, guys. Let me get them. They're the same, guys, because when I bought this one, they're like 50% off. I think it is. Yeah, I think 50% off, because I think it is like Christmas season, whatever is that, when they have this. So I bought 2 of them because they're on sale, guys. Yes. So this is Pharmacy. You know I love Pharmacy, guys. I have the cleansing balm Pharmacy, and I also have the, what is this? The facial wash, guys. And yeah. So I have this one, guys. This is, let me put the other one. This is a Pharmacy Sweet Greens, guys, and of course it has the Green Clean Cleansing Balm, which is my favorite, and I really hope that a cherry one also they will sell that, but I don't think so, because they don't have I think they don't have the jumbo size, the big size there on the website. It's sold out, guys. I guess cherry is good. So in here, guys, it has honey potion mask, and they have moisturizer. This is the mask. This is the mask, and this is moisturizer and the cleansing balm, guys. So I got two of this, guys. Two of this. You know me. I when I love the product, guys, it's like yes, sir. Two, two. So that's my pharmacy, guys, and I will open the Ulta one, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, for Ulta, it's so heavy. Just kidding. I don't know why Ulta put it in a big huge box, guys, when I know what's in here and it's very tiny. I think there's like, let me open it, guys. I think there's like two. Oh my god. I'm kind of scared when you open the box. I think I know what is in here, if I would remember. And it's very, very tiny, guys. You'll see when I open this box, guys. It's like, why they have to put it in the, was it like huge box? When before, guys, when I bought the, what is this, the Beauty Bakery foundation, guys, they put it in the envelope, guys. And that one is like, let me open, guys. They're very silly. Ulta, you're wasting too much. Just kidding. And look what I got here in Ulta, guys. Yes, yes, only these two. Only there's two, guys, with huge box. Like, really? Ulta, Ulta, Ulta. Just kidding. Yeah, this is number 3. Give me bro volumizing fiber gel, guys. This is my favorite. And the other one, I think I will sell it to my coworker because here, this is a full size bag. I give her the tiny one, the samples, and she loves it. So she asked me if I'm getting more, and I said sure. So yeah, I get 2. So one is, I have another one backup already, guys. So this is my second backup, and this one I'm gonna sell it to my coworkers because she loves it. Yes, yes. So that's it, guys. Oh my goodness, I know it's not a lot, guys, and this is gonna be like short version of unboxing, guys, but I want to open it up because I need to throw all the box and clean up here. And like I said, guys, I will do what is this, um cleaning here, and I will do the organize. Oh god, now I'm tired, guys. So give me a thumbs up, guys, like and subscribe. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you, guys.